Welcome to Math Alpha today. Today we want to learn how to construct or how to form quadratic equations when the roots, the root means the answers, when the answers of the quadratic equations are already given. So we have here equation before us, construct or form a quadratic equation whose roots are minus 1 over 3, minus 1 over 7 and 5. Okay, so let's handle that together. All right, we are here. So the root of the equations are, look at it. Root of the equations are, what? They are negative 1 over 7 and 5. Okay, so there are two ways to do this. Let me show you the first method. So we're going to have solution. All right, so the root of the equations are 2. We're going to say just a very quick one. Just do x, draw form 2 brackets this way, and then the variable we want to use x to form the equation, so that the equation will be in terms of x. So what I'm going to do is I put x in one bracket, I go to the next bracket and fix x there. You can use y or any other letter of the alphabet that you choose to select. Okay, now the first equation, see what I'm going to do? The first root, rather, I'm going to say x minus, I fix minus, this other one I fix minus. So this is the pattern. So x minus the first root, then the other bracket, x minus the second root. Okay, let me start with the second root. Second root is 5. So over here we have x minus 5. Now, over here, the root has minus itself. So you can do it this way, x minus into a smaller bracket, minus 1 over 7. So you're going to have something of this nature. You're going to have this, and then you close the bigger bracket. All right, so let's go. You're going to have x. Now, minus into the others, minus over there will become plus, and then you have 1 over 7 into x minus 5 is equal to 0. All right, so this the next thing for you to do now is to expand. All right, if you want to expand, see what you do. You use this to multiply by this. When you are done, use this x again to multiply by 5. Then that means you are through with x. Then use 1 over 7 to multiply by x. When you are done, 1 over 7 to multiply by 5. Then you arrange your answer and you are there. So let's go. So x travels to multiply by that x, you get x squared. X times x is x squared. All right? X travels to multiply by negative 5, you get negative 5x. Okay? Now, next, we are through with x, you come to 1 over 7. Now you have 1 over 7 travels to multiply by x. You are going to get a plus x over 7. Yes, look at it. 1 over 7 multiplied by x. You can make x over 1. So 1 times x will give you what? X. Then 7 times 1, you get a 7. That was how I got this answer over here. All right, so let's carry on. Okay, so next, you are going to say 1 over 7 travels to multiply by negative 5. You're going to get negative 5 over what? 7 equals 0. But if you look very carefully or closely, you realize that these two terms here, these two terms here are alike, meaning that we can simplify them together. All right, so if you do that, you are going to have, so here and here, here and here. So make this negative 5x as a fraction. So we go. We're going to have x squared. So the LCM of the two of them is 7, actually. So 7 divided by 1, you're going to get 7. Now 7 multiplied by negative 5x, you have negative 35x. And then this addition sign, you can put it here. Then 7 divided by 7 is 1. Now 1 multiplied by x over there, you get x. Then negative 5 over 7 equals 0. Okay? Now let's keep going. Here, over here, what you are seeing here is actually negative 35x plus x. We're going to have x squared, negative 35x plus x will give you a negative 34. Negative 34x over 7. Then minus 5 over 7 is equal to 0. All right. Now, the final thing for you to do is to clear the entire fraction. How do you do that? Multiply the entire equation. This equations we have gotten now. Multiply the entire equation. Both the left-hand side. Left-hand side means the whole of what you are seeing here. Multiply both the left-hand side and right-hand side by 7, so that it will clear the entire fraction for you. All right, let's do that. So multiply the entire equation by 7. That's what I want to do now. So I have 7 into x squared negative 34x by 7 negative 5 over 7 all in bracket is equal to 0 times 7. This is the meaning of what I said. All right. So now begin to clear the this now one by one. So 7 multiplied by x squared, you get 7x squared. When 7 tries to multiply by negative 34x over 7, this 7 under here at the denominator will cancel it. So you now have just 34x. When you try to use this 7 to multiply by a negative 5 over 7, this 7 here, that is the denominator, will cancel that one. So you only have 5 is equal to, now 0 times 7 is equal to what? 0 times 7, of course, is 0. So anything multiplied by 0 is 0, or 0 multiplied by anything or any number is also 0. Now, so that means that the equation that when you solve, you will get the answer of s is equal to negative 1 over 7 or s is equal to 5. This is now the equation that if you try to solve it back using factorization method or substitution method, factorization method or completing the square method or formula method, or maybe by the use of graph. If you solve this equation back, quadratic equation back, when you are done, you will get back the roots. That's the answers of what were given from the beginning of the question. So this is how we handle equation of this type. There is another method, but for the sake of this video, we're going to just make do with this. Then in another subsequent video, I will come up with the other second method, which may be shorter and faster than this other one. Thank you very, very much for watching till this time. But don't go away. Let me give you something. Let me give you something. All right. So let me give you something. All right. We are here. So construct a quadratic equation whose roots are negative 1 over 3 and negative 4. When you are done forming the equation, just check carefully, and you have options here from A to D. And then select the one that matches your answer. Thank you very, very much for staying to the end. Do well to like, to subscribe, and follow for more.